Hey guys, Chris Dietz here over at Boss Elite. Today in the workshop, we're going to talk about our new direct replacement radio for the 2014 to 2023 Harley Davidson touring models. And we're going to go over some of the key points that you need to know for installation. Let's get started by talking about some of the key features that are included with this head unit. It has wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. It's a direct fit replacement in the 2014 to 2023 Electric Glide, Street Glide, and Road Glide touring models from Harley Davidson. It is Sirius XM ready with built-in Maestro. It's IP66 rated dustproof and weatherproof. It has a built-in DSP with 13-band EQ, crossover settings, and time alignment. Just to go over the items that are included in the box, we have a screen cloth, GPS antenna, mounting hardware, and a microphone. Just to talk about a cool point about our GPS antenna is it has the factory Fokker connection. In some applications, they didn't come with a head unit from factory. So in our case, we include it for you. In the instances that you do have a head unit that would have had a GPS antenna from factory, you're able to use that as well. Our head unit has built-in iDataLink Maestro, and once you get started in the installation process, you're going to need to flash it through the WebLink update portal from ADS. So on the back of the head unit actually is a USB-C port that you connect to your computer for the update process. You only need to know the year, make, and model of your application when you go through the updating process. A couple other points to consider that when we're in our development process is traditionally you see with the factory head unit, you actually have the bulkhead is fixed into the chassis of the head unit, and whereas we actually have it tethered. So there's actually some IP benefits that help maintain a weatherproof performance value. Other aspects we were able to do is actually include Molex termination between the high-level speaker outputs. So in an instance where if you're wanting to run a DSP or some of the other different accessories, you actually wire it in line without needing to have a separate bulkhead and an additional connector to go to the factory power port. A couple other items to consider is that, as I had mentioned, that some applications don't include a head unit from Harley Davidson from the factory. Without the need of having to buy a separate USB port, we included, it's tethered to the head unit. It has the factory style grommet that you actually route it from the head unit into the port pocket for the rider's convenience. A couple things we took in consideration during the development of this head unit is a simplistic UI, and that was actually all designed in-house in the US. We have individual tiles for our sources, and that just allows for, we want to minimize the distraction to the head unit while riding. And in doing so, we've included, it retains the factory cursor to have full thumb control of the head unit from the handlebar. You can see here that the Apple CarPlay is bordered in a yellow rectangle, and that's our cursor. And you'd be able to toggle through all the individual settings and sources while riding. Being that the Harley Davidson is one of the most personalized motorcycles on the market in the road today, a couple things that could really tie in this head unit with your motorcycle is we have independent illumination control, where you could actually select between an assortment of colors to personalize your individual control arrangement. Beyond that, independently, you could actually, we have as theme settings, and the accent color in the UI, actually, you could select from here, and you just give it a moment, and you notice it's refreshed, and now we have a blue accent color. There you go, guys. Just a couple key features we wanted you to consider when installing our direct replacement Harley Davidson head unit. For more information and to stay posted, refer to our website at bosselite.com.